GPT-4o summarized in just 3 minutes. Here are the noticeable updates in GPT-4o. 1. GPT-4o came with a free version of GPT-4 for everyone. That's really amazing, as now, everyone can use GPT-4 model free of cost. They can send images, files, and interact in voice with ChatGPT to get amazing outputs. 2. The voice interaction is much more realistic and in real time than earlier. We had to wait for 2 to 4 seconds before getting a response. Now it's listening to the message in real time when we are speaking and giving a response very quickly. 3. The feeling feature of the GPT-4o is super exciting, as its feelings are like a normal human now. Where it feels from the message is that what is the mood of the talking person, and it can also change its mood based on the given instructions to give a way of talking. 4. The visionary part is highly improved from the previous model. Now it can imagine just by showing anything on the camera to it, which could be a human face to read and show their emotions, which could be a piece of paper to give suggestions while solving a mathematical problem. In short, you can open up a mobile camera and show anything to it and give instructions to act accordingly. 5. GPT-4o is now capable of translating words in 50 languages, which means now it can act like a real human translator to translate what two persons are talking to a language which is understandable to both, and the number of languages will be increased to cover all of the world's languages soon. 6. Regarding the development end, the GPT-4o model APIs are 50% more cheaper and 2 times faster than the previous models, which is giving a huge gap in the market for programmers to utilize it heavily in the applications. 7. The final huge update is that it can create sound effects based on the given video. For example, if we give a video of a game, it can create a realistic voice of everything happening in the video. That can be foot voice, can be of shooting, can be of birds flying. In short, it can be anything. Explore the model now using the link given in the description.